Alright, so welcome back to a new video. Alright, inside of this video, I'm going to be showing you a few interesting things that I came up with. In the last few videos that I did, there were some things that were not like totally finished, and then I got some new ideas also. So I'll be showing you everything inside of this video. And part of this thing I'm going to be showing is that how you can request for real-time status updates and how you can check the progress of each and every person that is inside of your referral contest, and how the participants can also check it by themselves. So first off, let us request for a referral link here. So I'll be taking you through the entire process. And let's say I send this message referral link. I should get a referral. Yeah. So now once this person has gotten a referral link, right, and their data has been updated here, this person now has access to request for the status of their participation inside of this referral contest. So now let's say this person wants to know how many referrals they've sent in and how many valid referrals they have, so that they can know where they are in the referral contest, or probably to know whether the people that they are sending over are actually doing what they told them to do. Some people might come in and then they will not be counted as valid, and they want to know whether they're just wasting their time or their leads are doing something wrong. So now let's say this person now wants to find that out, because as you see right here, we have 53 referrals and 47 valid referrals, which means that probably like 4 referrals are actually not counted as valid, which could affect the person's chances of winning this referral contest in the long run, right? For that, let's say this person wants to find that out, and the person just sends something like referral status, right? The person sends this message, sends it. So there's going to be a message that will deliver real-time data, right? That this person, their name, that their referral number 1, they have 53 total referrals and 47 valid referrals, right? And then it tells them to keep up the good work. Do you understand? So the way this works is that when they request for their referral status, this automation goes and looks for their number here, right? And then calls out the data from this particular sheet and sends it back to them. Do you understand now? So now, what if this person is not a part of this contest? Let's say their number was not registered and they never requested for a referral link. What would happen? So now I've deleted the number from here. Now let's say I send that same message, ref status. The response is now going to be, I'm sorry, you're not a part of this contest. And why is that? Because the number isn't here. Do you understand? So that's basically how that works. So I'm going to get this number back, and then this will change. So now let's say I change any of this data. Let's say I had more non-valid participants here. Say I make these guys much non-valid. I make them non-valid. I make number 1. Let's say I just copy these non-valid people. No. Let me do it like this. And then I drop them here. So now we have more guys that are not valid, right? And then I check here, and you see that there are 73 referrals and 58 valid ones. You'd see that the response is now going to be the updated data, which is that they have 73 total referrals and 58 valid referrals. So with this now, the person can instantly get real-time data to know how they are doing inside of this referral contest and what exactly is going on with their efforts, so that they don't just waste so much time and energy on the contest. Alright, so the next thing is how somebody can ask and find out who the top 3 or the top 5 that are winning the particular contest are. So your contest, you can be giving prizes to the 3 people with the highest number of referrals, or for the 5 people with the highest number of referrals. I don't know how you are going to be doing your own, right? If you want your participants to be able to know who the top 3 or the top 5 are, so that they can keep working towards it, or whatever your reason might be, or wanting to share this particular information, there is an automation also for that. So now let's say I increase this to 5, right? Or let me bring it down. It's probably like 13 and 14. Yeah. Let's say I have these people. So as you will see right here, see that this is now this is counting the winners according to the highest number of referrals. First person here is number one, followed by number five with 15 referrals, and number 13 with 13 valid referrals. Do you understand? So in the previous videos, you notice that this was at the bottom, right? It used to be at the bottom, but I had to change the formula, so now it is now at the top. And with it being at the top now, it allowed me to be able to call for the status of this particular referrals. So what this basically allows you to do is that you are now able to get the top three or the top five of this particular contest. So now let's say I want to get the top three inside of this contest. All I have to do is send the word ref progress, right? And this, is totally all of these prompts that I'm showing you, ref status, ref progress, ref link, they are all totally customizable by you, right? So now let's say I send this message. The response is going to call out the data of the first three people here. So you see that the top three for this referral contest are referral number one, that is 73 total referrals and 58 valid referrals. And we have referral 5 with 19 total referrals and 15 valid referrals, followed by the last being referral 13 with 24 total referrals and 13 valid referrals. So with this, participants in your contest can easily figure out what exactly is going on inside of the contest, where they are on the leaderboard, and how much of a gap is between them and the winners. So this might not be something that you want to give access to all of your referrals, because I'm not 100% sure how it's going to affect the morale of your participants, right? I can't really say, right? So, but this is possible, and that is why I'm showing this in this video demo right here. Well, now let's say we don't have any referrals registered, every single thing is blank, and somebody sends the word ref progress over here, trying to get the progress of the referral. What would happen? So what would happen is that there is going to be a simple message that is going to say there is no data now, or the referral contest is yet to be started and they should try again later. Do you understand? So this basically takes real-time data from here that you can easily track your referral contest and know what exactly is going on without having to be on the cheat. You can use this within your team to check the progress of the referral contest. You can use this you can share it even with your referrals. Anything is possible, right? So it's all up to you and your level of imagination. And that's simply that about this. If you have any other bright ideas or anything that you feel like would make your referral contest even more smoother, you can send me a DM. There's going to be a link to my DM inside of the description. And if you like to get this course, there will also be a link in the description. And with that, we've come to an end of this video. Right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.